What is mediation, you ask? Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law, down here at Studio B, answering yet another question from one of our viewers. What is mediation? Well, mediation, very simply, is a process where you have a neutral, impartial third party, a mediator, helping to resolve the dispute that you or your entity has with another or another entity. That mediator, that third party, that independent, neutral party, gets everybody together to help open up dialogue in a private, confidential setting, with the hopes that they'll come to a resolution in a much more time-efficient and cost-effective way than through litigation. Now, is mediation for everyone? No. There are certain people that like to fight. And mediation will allow the dispute to happen in an active, fulfilling way, but it's not litigation. It's not filled with emotion and vitriol. But you might say, Mark, I want my day in court. Well, I get that, but do you want your day in front of a judge, or do you simply want to be heard? Because I want to show you a visual of being heard in court. Let's say you have this. This is everything you know. Everything you know about yourself. Nobody knows more about you than you, right? So let's be realistic and fold this in half. This represents the person who knows more about you than anybody else. Maybe it's your spouse, maybe it's a sibling. Then fold it again. This is a group of a few, this circle of trust, maybe family members, really close friends. Fold it again, and these are folks that you work with, colleagues, relationships that you have socially. They don't know a tremendous amount about you, but they know a little bit about you. Fold it again, and this is typically what you tell your attorney. This is typically the knowledge base that you've given to your attorney to represent you in court. But guess what? How much of that information are they actually absorbing, the attorney? And how much of that information can they actually convey to the court based on strategy or rules of evidence? And this is what you're bringing to court, your day in court. After a long battle, probably a lot of expense, and certainly a lot of aggravation with service of process, litigation can create a lot of bad feelings and negative emotions. But then there's mediation, where you get to have your say, and you get to speak your truths, your whole truths, and come to a resolution, and hopefully in a time-efficient manner and a cost-effective manner, and you still have a relationship with that counterparty. Folks, I hope you appreciate this content. If you do, please share it with everyone and anyone. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell for this and all of the other valuable videos. And if you are interested in mediation services, please give us a call at 781-319-1900. Thank you and be well.